Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be introducing you guys to a new series I'm working on, which is on how to make your webcomic. So, I am going to be separating everything that you see on the video here into different videos later on. And in this video, I will be introducing to you guys on how I started on my webcomic. Right now, let me just quickly introduce myself. So, I recently graduated from art school and I'm currently working freelance at home. So this is my comic, and I know it's not the catchiest title. Roommates, anyone can come up with that name. Alright, we get it. But yeah, this story basically revolves around 3 people living together as roommates: Jenna, Benjamin, and Zach. The genre is pretty much slice of life, drama, and maybe romance. Yeah. I am proud to say that I have been working on this comic for 1 year now. Yay! So this is me patting myself on the back. The thing is, a lot can change in a year. Look, I will be the first to admit it. My stuff back then was definitely more detailed compared to now. You can see, yeah, I guess I was pretty much a try-hard back then. But hey, I had my reasons. I was struggling with college, assignments. You know, I had to develop an art style that was fast, efficient, and clean. Finally, now that you have gotten to know me and my story, let me just quickly recommend you guys some works that have inspired me to write Roommates. Over here you have BL section, and if you have actually read one of these, then girl, over here we have some Chinese webcomics that are also in English. We have the Line Webtoons category. Shout out to Tapas and Line Webtoons for giving me a platform, by the way. Also, huge shout out to Fishball, who made the comic My Giant Nerd Boyfriend. Her art style inspired me to create Roommates art style. And also, she actually lives like in the same country as me. And back then, I didn't think it was possible to make a living out of, just making webcomics in general. And she actually managed to do that while still being able to make some income from it. And yeah, she's definitely my biggest inspiration. Anyway, that's about it for this video. Before watching my next video, where I will be talking about how to write your webcomic, I would suggest making a goal or a direction for yourself. And if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. See ya!